Right, my homemade suppressor, 1/8 stainless, CNC'd end parts, 1/2 inch UNF thread. Okay, right, for a 2-2 pistol, this hole here, okay, don't drill it out to be a 5.5, otherwise you damage the whole internal parts. I drilled this out to be a 7mm diameter all through. I don't know if that could be seen there. Okay, and inside the silencer has 9 plastic covers which I found lying around. These are just covers for I don't know, gas bottles or something, which were covers to protect the threadings. So I thought I'll use these, stick them inside there. Obviously these ain't drilled out to 7mm. Once they're all drilled out to 7mm, you just pop them in, put the little caps on, 2 little grub screws either side, there and there, there and there, and that's it. That is the simplest silencer ever made, and it does work. I will show you when I screw it onto the gun. Okay, let me do it before and after. Okay, this is without any pellets. Okay, and now with the silencer. You could buy the silencer adapters on eBay for about £5. Okay, this is with the silencer. Okay. You hear that? Hardly hear it. Okay. Silencer off. Do it again, cock it. Wait for the train to go past. This is the silencer off. Huge difference. Just by adding a couple of these plastic things, don't know what they're called, covers, which I found lying around. So it does work. Anything that you could use in this sort of configuration, you definitely make your gun very silent.